Hello and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this tech tip, we'll show you how to analyze a temperature ramp for glass transitions on the DMA 850. The following tech tip discusses the determination of a glass transition for a polymer using dynamic mechanical analysis, or DMA. The glass transition is a region characterized by multiple temperature points in the DMA analysis. These temperatures are influenced by the oscillation frequency as shown in these temperature ramps for a PET sample done at different frequencies. A valid characterization of one of the glass transition temperatures should include the frequency of oscillation for the test, as well as the method of determination, which will be discussed. The following is a representative oscillation temperature ramp experiment done on a TA polycarbonate sample. This test was done on a 17.5 mm single cantilever clamp. The test parameters are shown here. There are three glass transition temperature analyses we will be discussing in this video. The first is the onset temperature obtained from the storage modulus. The second is the peak of the loss modulus in the glass transition region. The third is the peak of the tan delta signal. This transition occurs higher than the onset temperature and loss modulus peak. For the storage modulus, we typically get a value about 2.35 gigapascals at room temperature for the TA polycarbonate sample. You can use the curve X and Y analysis here. The analysis can be edited to choose a specific temperature. An onset glass transition temperature can be obtained by selecting the transition region of the curve and using the onset point analysis from the analysis menu. All analyses can be customized using the Edit button. There are several options for this analysis, and the user is encouraged to explore these options. The result for the onset glass transition temperature may depend on these options and the temperature range selected for analysis. Next, let's look at the loss modulus. Select the transition region on the curve and use the signal max analysis. In Edit, we can set the range more specifically. We can also set analyses to label the temperature at the peak. This will give our glass transition temperature from the loss modulus peak. You may want to set this as the default if this is a common analysis. This gives us a glass transition temperature higher than the onset temperature. Next, let's look at the tan delta at room temperature. The curve X and Y analysis can be used again here. The signal typically has a value below 0.01 for the TA polycarbonate sample specimens at room temperature. The glass transition temperature is obtained from the peak of the tan delta signal. The signal max analysis can be used again here. The value is usually around 155 to 160 degrees Celsius for the TA polycarbonate sample, but can vary. In this tech tip, we showed you how to analyze a temperature ramp for glass transitions on the DMA 850. Stay tuned for more helpful tips from TA Instruments, and thank you for your interest.